Foothills Naga Coordination Committee (FNCC) has declined to attend meeting convened by Government of Manipur on January 19, citing government's failure to honor the 3-point Memorandum of Understanding (MOU) signed on August 8, 2025 and alleging bias in handling recent incidents. In a communication addressed to the Commissioner Home, FNCC Secretary Robin Kabui stated that the decision was taken after detailed deliberations with the joint tribes, their councils and executives. FNCC alleged that instead of arresting and prosecuting the cadres of KNFP-UPF and their leader Thangboy Kipgen for the alleged involvement in several illegal activities including the January 11-12 earring incident, the government has opted to call the victims for negotiation. Calling the move deeply unfortunate, FNCC accused the government of lacking impartiality and claimed that it appeared to be working hand in glove with unlawful militants. The committee further stated that the armed group had reportedly issued direct threats against Iring Naga village on January 12, which it said constituted serious criminal offences under various sections of the Indian Penal Code, including criminal intimidation, attempt to murder, promoting enmity between groups, and criminal conspiracy. Despite the gravity of the alleged offences, FNCC expressed concern that no concrete legal action has been initiated, leading to strong perception of bias or tacit support by the authorities. The organization also criticized the manner in which the meeting invitation was issued, stating that it was received via WhatsApp late in the evening on January 18 and contained errors, including an incorrect year and inaccuracies in the Secretariat's name. Under the prevailing circumstances, FNCC stated that its participation in the proposed meeting would remain untenable until the rule of law is upheld, offenders are brought to justice, and commitments under the MOU are implemented in letter and spirit.